Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's your boy Tyler from CR3 Home Services. And I'm in another DIY video. I'm gonna show you guys how to do some caulking around a tub. You know that white caulk strip that you put around the tub? I'm gonna show you guys how to do that in a neat, fancy manner. A lot of times people do it, it'll be messy. I'm gonna show you guys the right way how to do it. You just follow my lead. Let's get it. So you wanna buy some caulk yourself, because you can't caulk without having any caulk. And your caulk done. All right, y'all. It's caulking time. So I'm gonna start at the edge over here first. Put the caulk in your caulk gun. Stick open so caulk will come out of there. It's coming just like this. Pretty much just let it flow. Costs too much to come out. You don't definitely know up there. Just go all the way around. Go all the way over. Just like that. And release it on the caulk gun. You got your caulk on the wall now. So how you gonna caulk it good, and make sure it's nice and neat. So what I generally do, I start, throw my finger on there like this. Could be middle finger, index finger. As long as it's not a few fingers to mess up the caulk that's on it. So you just go in a line like this, but you gotta make sure you don't got so much caulk on there either, cause it can make a little, take your time with it. Just like that. To make it look a lot cleaner and neater. A lot of people think when the caulk gets dirty, it's mold. It's not mold. It's just the caulk just get nasty looking because you're not really cleaning your tub like that. So you have to clean against the edge. So what you need to do is let this caulk dry. I always say about 4 hours. Before you run water, let it get good and dry before you use it. Because if you put water on it, it can mess up the caulking. It could be moist and the caulk will come off easy. Finished product. And look when it's finished. That's it, guys. That's how you caulk around the tub. Like, subscribe, comment on my YouTube channel. Let me know, if you have any questions about this. I can definitely assist you with it. All you need is your caulk and your caulk gun. Make sure when you open up your caulking, make sure you clip the edge of the caulk so you can get the caulking out of there. This part right here. You clip off this part so the caulk can come out of there. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for being here with me on my journey with DIY videos, and I'll continue to post. And see you guys later. Till next time, I'm out.